right? So when you're making a jump, you really want it to be pressed down. So you see how I'm pressing down in here? That makes it compacted. So if it wasn't compacted, you try driving up, you're just gonna wash out. You don't wanna wash out. You wanna ace this jump, all right? And so far we're making good progress. I'll cut back to him.
Dog.
Yeah, dude, we're making good progress so far. Can't wait to send this.
The chain pops out.
That's what we ride for.